I wasn't sure if she'd be here. It's 11 in the afternoon, and I was here last night, and I thought that she seemed really protective of this bed here, and now she's in there all the time. Look at those nipples. She must be nursing just there. Yeah, I'm gonna feed you. I'm gonna feed you, Mama. So I just want to show you what this place looks like. So this is where we used to feed. I used to feed her here in the parking lot with the kindergartens here in the back. She followed me down here a while ago and crossed the road, and then we hang out here, which was nice because it's quiet and nobody comes on this island because it's actually a roundabout. Look at her, she's grabbing onto my jeans. Oh dear. Yep, so then she must have really liked coming here, and she's a smart little cat, because even though these beds aren't really good hiding places, there are these ones which are more dense, and she it looks like she's in this one because she was so protective yesterday of it when people were, even like from really far away, people were walking down here, and she got really protective. Like I could see she was kind of a bit tense, like she was really guarding that place. So now that she's here, I'm sure that she's got some wampuses over there. Ali, she thinks there's food here because yesterday I fed her here. She had some chicken and stuff. Oh, Ali, you don't need to drink that. I'll give you some new ones. Oh, look, come, I'll give you new water. Ali, come, Ali. She's hungry. This is more shady. Ali, come. There she comes. Here she comes. Look at her. Oh, you're so hungry and precious. Yeah, Mommy bought you some food, huh? You're gonna like this food, Ali. So, of course, I'm buying her stuff, especially for kittens, because I don't mind once in a while doing this just to help her feel better, and obviously it's very nourishing. Is it nourishing for you, Ali? Yes, it is. Let me just... Oh, it looks like a pate. Well, it's a bit tricky to open it with one hand. Silly me. And I do see she's extremely hungry, and I want to take this stupid thing off. Stupid! Look, it's even giving her marks on her fur, making her extra hot. Not very nice, is it? I wonder if I could sneak over there while she's eating and check. Can you imagine they're in there? Can you imagine how cute they must be? Just imagine how cute these wampuses are. You have to be patient, eh? Patient and help you. Yes? Come in the shade. I'll put you in the shade. Let's put you in the shade. Here, this shade. Oh, yummy, yummy, Ali. So nice to be in the grass. Not in that noisy place where we were before. Oh, she's so hungry. So usually I would have come in the evening because of the heat. And I just thought, no, it's too long. She's going to wake up after nursing. And she's going to have to wait or like come out. Actually, she didn't come out because it's really hot. And like venture out and have to walk around, and there's no food there, no water. So I thought, I have to come early. I don't like being out in the heat. But I have to make her strong. I have to help her because she's nursing. Are you nursing, Ali? You're a nursing kitten. That's very hard work for a kitten like you to nurse little wampuses. Do you like your new little area? She's so cute. She's a cute little one. She's really hot. That fur's really hot. Hopefully she cools down. I'm actually very hot. I need some water.